These are the Disney World packing essentials we actually bring for long park days, unpredictable Florida weather, resort stays, and travel days. You don't need to overpack, but a few smart items can make a Disney trip a lot more comfortable. We're keeping this focused on the items we personally find most helpful, especially for hot weather, rain, long walking days, and keeping everything organized. Let's start with the items we like to keep in our park bag, because once you're inside a Disney park, the last thing you want is to realize you forgot something simple but important. For us, the backpack is really the base of the whole system. We like having something comfortable enough for a full park day, large enough to fit what we need, and organized enough that we're not digging around every time we need a charger, wipes, or a snack. Multiple pockets are definitely helpful. A portable charger is one of the first things we pack. Between checking the My Disney Experience app for lightning lanes, wait times, mobile ordering, and cast compliments, plus taking photos and videos throughout the day, your phone battery can drain quickly. This is one of those items that isn't exciting, but you're very glad to have it when you need it. We also bring a refillable water bottle, especially for warmer trips. Disney days can involve a lot of walking, and staying hydrated makes a huge difference. We like having water with us, instead of relying only on buying drinks throughout the day. Sometimes we'll start the day by filling it with coconut water, then switch to regular water using refill stations or complimentary cups of water from many quick service locations throughout the parks. We also keep a few small basics in the bag, like sanitizing wipes and backup snacks. The wipes are great for quick service tables or quickly cleaning hands before snacks. And protein bars or nuts can be a helpful pick-me-up when you're between dining reservations, waiting in a long line, or just need something quick before your next plan. We also often pack ginger chews. For us, they're a nice option to have on hand after a big meal when we don't necessarily want to reach for an antacid. Disney does allow guests to bring snacks and non-alcoholic drinks into the parks, which can also help save a little money. Just make sure to check the current Walt Disney World policies before your trip, since rules can change. Next are weather-related items, because Florida can go from hot and sunny to pouring rain very quickly. This is one of the biggest reasons we like to pack a few small weather items ahead of time. For hot park days, a neck fan can be really helpful, especially if you're visiting during spring, summer, or early fall. It's not something everyone needs, but if you get overheated easily, it can make outdoor queues, long walks, and waiting for shows or fireworks a lot more comfortable. For us, it has genuinely been one of the most useful hot weather items we've found. Another small hot weather item we like to pack is an anti-chafe stick. It takes up very little room, and it can be really helpful on long park days when you're walking a lot in the heat and humidity. We also like to pack ponchos instead of waiting to buy them once it starts raining. They are usually available in the parks, but bringing them ahead of time can save time and money. They don't take up much room, and they're helpful for sudden storms, wet rides, or getting from one part of the park to another without being completely soaked. Rain shoe covers are a little more specific, but they can be useful if the forecast looks rough. Walking around Disney in wet shoes is one of the fastest ways to make a park day uncomfortable, so this is one of those items we'd consider bringing when heavy rain is likely. After the parks, there are a few items that help once we're back in the room. Disney trips can be amazing, but they can also be tiring, sweaty, and a little chaotic if you don't have a system for your resort room. A travel laundry bag is one of those simple items that helps keep the room more organized. It gives you one place for worn park clothes, wet socks, or anything you don't want mixed back in with clean clothes. It also makes packing up at the end of the trip much easier. Depending on the length of your trip and the size of your party, you may want more than one. We also like having something for tired feet and legs, especially after long park days. Warming foot masks and a small travel massage gun are definitely more of a nice to have than true essentials, but after a full day of walking around Disney, they can feel really good at the end of the night. The last category is packing organization, which is especially helpful if you're staying for several nights or switching resorts. Packing cubes are one of the easiest ways to keep things organized. You can separate park outfits, resort clothes, swimwear, extras, or even pack by day if that works better for your trip. They also make it easier to unpack quickly once you arrive. Shoe bags are another small item we like, because Disney trips usually involve multiple pairs of shoes, multiple park shoes, sandals, and maybe even nicer shoes for a special dinner, and it's nice to keep those separate from clean clothes. We also like having an extra travel bag or duffel for for overflow items, travel day essentials, or anything we don't want buried in a suitcase. This can also be helpful if you end up coming home with souvenirs or just need a little extra space by the end of the trip. Those are the Disney essentials we pack most often for park days, resort stays, and travel days. You definitely don't need to bring everything, but these are the kinds of items that can make a Disney trip feel more comfortable and organized. We'll link everything we mentioned in the description. And if you're planning a Disney World trip, we have more resort tours, dining reviews, and planning tips here on our channel. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more Disney planning tips, resort tours, and reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.